Okay, so I got all the parts painted for the Wrangler, and up next just installing them on the car. And then we got a whole bunch of wiring for all the lights that's going on this. We're still waiting on the big 22-inch wheels with the 33-inch tires. Okay, so I can't install any more parts because we're waiting on some more parts. We're waiting for a temperature sensor that goes somewhere over here before I put on the grill. And I can't finish installing the bumper because I'm pretty sure the grill won't fit through here without getting it scratched up. So I might have to pull off the bumper again to install the grill and then put the bumper back on. I just wanted to see if everything's gonna line up good. It's looking good so far. So I might just go hop into the light bar. We got a small light bar that's gonna go through the middle, right here, and then 2 more on each side. We'll see how that's gonna look. I'll leave the wiring to the end. I'm just gonna route it right now. Okay guys, I'm about to install the rear bumper. Got all the parts painted. The grill looking real nice. And then we hop into the wiring. Okay, got the rear bumper all installed, just waiting on the wiring. We'll make these LEDs work with the tail lights when it's reversing. So those are gonna be the new reverse lights. And now I'm gonna hop on to the front end. Okay, so this is it for the day because we're waiting on some more parts. Waiting on this temperature sensor that goes to that plug right there. And I can't finish installing the front bumper because of that sensor. I can't hook up the grill. because it clips on somewhere up there. And I'm pretty sure I have to take off the front bumper again because the grill's not gonna have enough clearance to clip on without getting it scratched up. Alright, see you next time.